Hello, this video illustrates how to store ZMF credentials within Jenkins that can be used by a Jenkins process. All access to ChangeMan requires user ID and password. So how do we safely store these values so they can be used by a Jenkins process? Let's take a look at setting it up. This is my Jenkins console. I'm going to select the Credentials tab, expand System, and I'm going to add a domain. There's multiple ways to do this. This is just to illustrate how it's done. ZMF credentials. And I say OK. It's an empty domain, so I'm going to add some credentials. Add my user ID and password, and I'm going to give it an ID of demo. The ID is referenced in your script to access these credentials. We go back to Jenkins to show you how this works. I have a job here called Show Credentials, and if we look at the configuration, you'll see it's a pipeline that uses the with credentials, and it uses the ID of demo and assigns the user ID and password to variables zuser and zpass. It then echoes those values out to the console. Let's run this job, see what it looks like. Job is completed. Let's look at the output. As you can see, the job ran, and it will hide zuser and zpassword when you try to display it. So even if you put it out to the console, it will be masked. And this could be used in a pipeline, or it could be used in a batch script. Thanks for watching.